Some cars are more than just machines. They are legends waiting to be rediscovered. This is a forgotten 1969 Dodge Charger, left abandoned for decades in a silent junkyard. Dust covers its body, rust eats through its metal, and most people would say this car is beyond saving. But today, we're going to bring this American muscle legend back to life. Walking through the junkyard, surrounded by broken machines and forgotten history.
All right, Jack's going in, time to
One shape
lift.
instantly stands out. Under layers of dirt and rust, the unmistakable silhouette of the legendary Dodge Charger appears. The long hood, the aggressive stance, the muscle car that once ruled American roads.
Easy
But
now, bring her in.
It's barely holding together. The interior is destroyed. The engine hasn't
All
run
right,
in
let's
years,
get this 69
and
Charger
rust has
back on the
taken over
road.
most of the body.
First the engine bay,
Still,
then the
beneath
bodywork.
all this damage, the spirit of this car is still alive. And today, the restoration begins. Before rebuilding anything, everything must come apart. The hood comes off first, then the wheels. Inside the car, torn seats and cracked panels are removed piece by piece. Years of dirt and neglect have turned this beautiful machine into a shadow of what it once was.
This
Finally,
dash is shot.
the engine,
Got to pull the whole
with
thing.
a heavy chain hoist slowly
All right,
lifting it
coming
out.
free now.
The old V8 leaves the engine bay for the first time in decades. Now the Charger stands completely stripped. Just a bare shell, waiting to be reborn. Rust is the biggest enemy of any classic car. And this Charger has a lot of it. Using grinders and cutting tools, the damaged metal is removed. New steel panels are carefully welded into place. Bright sparks light up the workshop as the body slowly begins to take shape again. After welding, sanding begins. Every surface must be perfectly smooth. Every dent repaired. Hours of work later, the body finally looks ready for paint. Now comes the moment that changes everything. The Charger enters the paint booth. First, primer. A smooth base coat that prepares the surface for the final color. Then, the magic happens. A deep glossy black paint is sprayed across the body. Slowly, the rusted metal disappears, and a beautiful muscle car begins to emerge. After polishing and finishing, the paint reflects light like a mirror. The Charger is finally starting to look alive again. Now the real transformation begins. The rebuilt V8 engine is lowered back into the engine bay. New wheels are installed. Shiny chrome parts return to their place. Inside the car, brand new leather seats replace the old torn interior. Piece by piece,
Okay, let's get this side
the Charger
panel on.
becomes complete
Alignment
again.
looks good, securing it.
Finally,
Perfect. Now the rear quarter
everything is
looks
ready.
brand new.
One last moment
Just getting
remains.
the last bit of dust off.
The key turns.
There we go,
For
ready
a
for
moment,
paint.
silence. Then suddenly, the V8 engine roars back to life. A deep thunder fills the workshop. After decades of silence, the legendary Dodge Charger breathes again. And as the garage door opens, this restored American muscle icon rolls back onto the road where it belongs. Some machines are never truly gone. They just wait for someone to bring them back.
All right, lowering it in now. Easy does it, almost there. Perfect, it's seated. Yeah, that's the sound I've been waiting for. Listen to that rumble, pure power. There she is, my pride and joy. Time to see what you've got.